I love the fall. I am a child of the fall. Am I? No, I'm not. I'm lying. Let me do this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show you this look right here. This is, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is my second time, legit second time trying faux freckles. And I'm obsessed. I don't know why I didn't try it sooner because I love the way they look. And I am doing this very much like my everyday kind of fall makeup look. This brown lip is giving, if this doesn't give you fall vibes, I don't know what does. So if you guys want to see how to get this chocolatey, warm, my everyday kind of fall makeup look with the faux freckles, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad family. And without further ado, let's get on with this video. I'm gonna prep my face with the HD Moisture Nourishing Face Primer from LA Girl. LA Girl has the best affordable products. I really like their products. They work really well and they're super affordable. I don't know how they do it, but they do it and they do it very well. After that, I'm gonna go straight into foundation. For foundation today, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Sun Beige. And start to work that all over the face. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have contacts on right now. I'll have them in the bottom in the description so you guys can check them out. But these are in the shade Brown Sugar. They're so natural looking, and I find that sometimes my eyelashes, I don't know, for some reason, they really bug my eyes when I have contact lenses on. Like, they'll just make my eyes water. And today I'm actually using some lashes that are contact lens friendly. These are from Kiss lashes. They have like 3 different styles. They have the Look So Natural, and they also have Blooming, which is my personal favorite, and also actually these are second favorite, the True Volume. I really like these, and they're all not like crazy intense, so they're not gonna overtake your eyeshadow look. You're gonna still be able to see all the work that you've done, but also get that volume and pretty wispiness. So I'm gonna be using these today. FYI, this video is sponsored by Kiss Lashes. Thanks, Kiss Lashes, for partnering up and sending me these really pretty lashes that are contact lens friendly, because I have going to be wearing contacts a lot more often because these contacts are so pretty and so natural. I'm gonna set my eyes in place. You can see they're kind of getting a little creasy. So what I'm gonna do is take the Lawless Brightening Translucent Powder just to make sure there's no slippery, slidey moments, and just set that in place. Also, I'm gonna go over the brows because the brows, those can get a little difficult to work with after you put foundation on and then go in and try to do your brow. It could slide all over the place. So it just kind of helps the brow pencil grip. And for the brows today, no surprise, I'm gonna be using the Browsings. I love my Browsings. I'm just gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T3 brush. Start to fill them in really quickly. Nothing too different, just doing my brows. All right, so brows are on the face. We are gonna move on to the eyeshadow, which is gonna be super easy. Something that you're gonna be able to do every day in the fall and possibly for the rest of your life. This is the Milani Pure Passion eyeshadow palette. This is like something I want you guys to be able to just gravitate towards easily. So I'm gonna take Totally Fond of You and Heat Is On, mix those guys together and put them in the crease. It's gonna be super easy. I don't want you guys to take too much time on this part. Just work it in the crease, go around where the outer V is, sweeping motions like this, a little bit of a rocking motion, sometimes a little bit of a back and forth, baby cradle motion. I just made up a new term, baby cradle motion, like that. I'm gonna extend it all the way out to the outer part of my brow, right towards the tail end. And then I'm gonna take another brush that's way clean. This one right here is from Time Los Angeles. It's the 203 brush. She has the prettiest brush handles. But just to have a really smooth kind of edge, that's what I'm gonna do as I add on color. This is a go-to color for me. This is a go-to look. Really, that's all that you need. I don't want to get like crazy dramatic here. I just want a simple eye look. And this is as simple as it gets. Like 2 colors, 1 color, bam. My grandma had mentioned it in the video we did together. She's like, back in the day, we only used like 1 eyeshadow. We didn't have time, or we didn't have enough money to go and buy like 3 or 4 eyeshadows. So grandma, this one is for you right here. I got you, grandma girl. I would suggest you guys have a clean brush on hand, especially if you're a beginner, or honestly just anybody. Have a new clean fluffy brush. Like this is a big fluffy brush, not something that's tapered like this, because it's going to give you more color payoff. You just want something that's going to soften up those edges, and you're only going to use that brush to do that. For the lid, I just want to clean it up. You don't have to do this if you don't want to spend too much time on this. I'm going to take this matte shade right here. It's just a bone color, and I want to really pop this lid out. I want it to look very neutral and soft. I don't want to add any color here. I just want to make it look super clean. It also cleans up that edge too. I don't know if you notice. I just want to look like my eyes are glowing. They're glowing from within. Yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for eyeshadow on my eyes. But right where you would put liner, I wanna put like a brown smoky moment. I'm gonna take this Scandalized Kohl Kajal from Rimmel, and I'm just gonna take it on the outer part of the eye right here. I like brown because it gives you more of a soft kind of a look. Holding your eyes a little taut like this will help give you a cleaner, smooth line. I was about to do this without letting you guys know. So shady of me. I am lifting my waterline up so I can put on some eyeliner right on the waterline. I don't want a big naked space underneath my eyes showing, so that's why I'm filling it in. And there's never a cute way to do this either. So just enjoy this awkward eye moment of myself. I decided to do a wing liner over the top. So I'm going to take this Maybelline liquid liner in the shade Forest Brown. So it's a really nice deep dark brown. Wow, props to Maybelline on their liner. This is really, really good. Okay, so now for the lashes, the fun part. I feel like lashes really bring this look together. So I'm gonna be using the Kiss lashes. There's 3 kinds. Now, these are existing lashes. They just got a complete package makeover. I think they're super cute. They have the Look So Natural, the blooming lash, and the true volume. So you can go from super natural to super dramatic. My personal favorite are the blooming lashes. They give you dimension and fullness at no matter what angle you turn, the inner, the outer, the front. It's going to give you a multi-dimensional kind of look. So that is this lash right here. My second favorite is the True Volume. These are actually 100% natural human hair, and they are super voluminous. I would have to say these are definitely going to give you that sexier kind of look. The other lash that I have are the Looks So Natural. The Looks So Natural lashes are super lightweight. You can't even tell or feel that they're on your eye, but they just give you that subtle, soft lift when you don't want to put on a full lash. You don't want too much craziness going on. You don't even want people to know that you're wearing false lashes. You just want them to look at your eyes and be like, she has really nice lashes, but you can't tell if she has fake lashes on. So I want to go with the multi-layered effect. So I'm going to take the blooming lash, and this is the style Lily. First, I'm going to cut the lash on each end. Then I'm going to pop on some of this lash adhesive from Kiss. This lash adhesive is made with aloe. It's formaldehyde-free, latex-free, just non-irritating at all, which is great. So I'm just gonna pop some on. The most lash adhesive I put is on the outer ends of the lash. I let them sit for about 30 seconds. And it's been about 30 seconds, so I'm gonna take my tweezer here, hold my mirror kind of below so I can see where the lash line meets. After 30 seconds, the glue has gone clear, it's more tacky, and I truly do not like talking or breathing when I put on my lashes or do my eyeliner. So this is a very focused moment for me. Thumbs up if you agree. I love that this band is so tiny and just moves easy, because then you can really hide this lash band. All right, so the lashes are on. The liner is slightly bigger, but you know, that's okay. I'm just gonna mesh my real and false lash together with some mascara. So I'm just gonna take this middle, actually I'm gonna take this middle shade right here. I'm gonna take it on the ends, like the lower. Ooh, that was too low. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this brush actually. This is the MAC 213 and go really close to the outer lower lash line. I'm gonna take some concealer and I'm gonna be using the new Huda Beauty, the Overachiever Concealer. This is the shade Cotton Candy, but I'm gonna take this one and Sugar Biscuit because I'm not really sure my shade yet, but I don't wanna be super bright. This is really bright. This is like in between. So I'm gonna marry them together and apply some concealer. Ooh, this is nice. It feels really good on the skin. Now I heard this concealer is super bomb. For contouring, I'm just gonna use this Jouer concealer in the shade Cappuccino. And I find that you don't need a lot of this because a little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna put it to here and blend the rest out. Work the contour up into the heavens and do not put too much of this stuff on because you will look like you just put your face in some mud. I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes with the Lawless brightening powder. I need some brightening under the eyes. We are gonna go in with this. Okay, so now that we have our base down, I'm just gonna contour a little bit. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever. I created my own little custom palette. So I'm gonna take this right here, this contour color, and just go straight down the nose. You don't have to do this extra step if you already contoured, but I like it to look a little bit more refined when you come back with a new brow shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I do my faux freckles. I literally just started doing this. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take a gel, this L'Oreal Havana gel eyebrow. If I just dry off this little guy right here, it'll work really, really well just to put in those little dots. So freckles usually go wherever the sun hits. So that's where you want your freckles to go. So basically right on the top of the nose, on the cheeks, and around there. I think that looks super, super cute. And start to make little tiny dots where I want freckles. And they're all different shapes, different sizes, different colors, so you don't have to be precise with it. The more imperfect, the more natural and the better it looks. Take my finger, the natural warmth of my finger is gonna make the freckle melt into the skin and make it look a little bit more natural. I would tap, I would not smear these guys. Take some blush from the Makeup Forever palette. So I'm gonna mix some of this together and pop it on the cheek. And instead of sweeping it, I'm actually going to dab it like my grandma did in my last video. Go across the nose, just like that. And then I'm gonna take some bronzer from the Balm and go right over that. I look like the Snapchat filter. I don't know if anybody uses Snapchat anymore, but that is what I feel like right now. This could be a Halloween costume. So for the highlight, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Coffee and Cream by my friend, That's Heart. I'm gonna take this right here, because it's so bomb. I'm gonna mix them together. The rose gold and this guy mixed together is heaven. So I'm gonna take that on this little area right here, just a tiny bit, and on the nose right there. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just came back, scrubbed my lips because they were so dry. I don't know why I let you guys sit there and look at these dry, crusty lips for so long. But I put on a scrub and we're ready to put on some lip liner. So I'm gonna take the MAC Cork lip liner and fill my lips in with this. And then right over the Cork lip, I'm gonna put on this guy right here from L'Oreal. This is the Shakedown. Okay, so this lip color is really cute. I like it, but I want just a little bit of a lighter shade in the center for some dimension. I don't want it to be super flat. So I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Nudist. Let's just use our finger because this looks like a very intense lip. I really like how this looks. I love how these faux freckles look. I naturally have a bunch of moles in random places, but no freckles. I wasn't blessed with freckles, so luckily I have makeup. I definitely see myself doing more freckles more than often because I've always been scared to do freckles, to be honest. If I get it wrong, blotchy or weird, but it's so easy to do and you can mess it up and it still looks good. Go try your faux freckles. Let me know how they look on you. Snap a picture, tag me in it. I want to see you. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this warm chocolatey vibe. I hope you go out and get some hot chocolate and chill, watch Hocus Pocus. That's like my favorite fall thing to do. I actually did that yesterday. It was the best day ever. And don't forget that you are beautiful inside and out, and everyone else around you has something really great to offer you. You'll either learn something from them, give people a chance. I love you guys so much. If you haven't seen these 2 videos over there, go check them out. This one is one of my favorites, so make sure to check that one out. It is hilarious. And that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.